Happy Easter! Auntie Bemba Proverbs is back, and today I just want to get right into the Proverbs, then we'll talk about other things at the end of the video. So, number one, isembe, talitwa, ichitwa, mutima. Isembe, talitwa, ichitwa, mutima. Translation is it's not the axe that will cut down the tree, it's the time, the efforts, the energy that you invest to use that axe that is going to help you cut down that tree. The interpretation is it's not what you have that is going to help you achieve something, but it's the drive within you that is going to help you achieve that thing. So, examples could be I maybe want to start a business, but I don't have resources. I don't have the financial resources to set up a business. So, I'm going to find ways and means of raising that capital because I have the drive in me. Where there's a will, there's always a way. So I'm going to maybe have to work as a house help for a period of time until I raise that capital. On the other hand, someone could have the right qualification for a job, have the money for that business, and all other resources at their disposal to help them achieve that which they want to. But if they don't have the drive for that, the energy, the desire, and they can't find time, they cannot achieve it. So this one is basically saying even without things, resources readily available to you, as long as you don't lose your vision, you hold on to your dream and keep working towards it, you are going to achieve it eventually. Number two, umupamapamo watulile ngoma. Umupamapamo watulile ngoma. This one and the one I'm just from sharing, I deliberately picked them together closely because they have a very similar teaching. So, equally, this one is saying persistence and consistency will produce positive results. Hitting the drum, beating the drum on the same spot will result in you breaking that drum. So, persistence and consistency is going to bring forth positive results. You are going to, you are going to fail not once, not twice. You can fail even up to 9 times, but as long as you try for the 10th time and rise again, you will find your breakthrough. It's encouraging people not to give up. Continue trying, continue pushing, continue knocking on those doors. Yes, you are going to miss some opportunities in life. Yes, you're going to have a lot of those slammed in your face and you're going to fail a lot. But as long as you keep fighting, you keep pushing, you don't give up, eventually you're going to break that drum. And breaking that drum is having your breakthrough. So don't give up. Keep rewriting if you need to until you get that paper to push you to the next level. Keep working even the menial jobs for people until you raise that money to take you to college or establish your business. Keep working towards that dream until it works. The next one is the third one. The third one is apakoma ile nondo epali ulema. This one is used when someone wants to correct someone about something or wants to warn someone about what they're not doing right. So, when someone is saying something in the negative about you over and over again, it means there's a problem there and you need to work on it. It could be one person pointing out the same thing to you over and over again, or it could be different people pointing out the same thing over and over again. So when people are saying that, pointing out that, You need to sit down, think about it, and find a way of working on it. People will tell you maybe that you have a bad attitude towards work, you don't handle issues well, you don't talk to people nicely. Try this way, try that way. Some people will say, but we are different and we can't all react the same, even to the same situation. True. But when people are pointing out something in the negative, it means they care about you and they want you to work on it. This is because attitude, someone said, a bad attitude is like a flat tire on your vehicle. You can never move and go with it anywhere until you change it. So you're going to be stuck in the same place and end up missing good opportunities because you don't want to change your attitude. When people point something out about you, pay attention and work on it. Number four, uwakalema, takaleka. Uwakalema, takaleka. This one is equally used to warn people, I think, mostly. And it has an equivalent in English, which is bad habits die hard. So, me, here is what I'm going to try and use this proverb to put the message across. When people do something wrong, they'll lie to you, maybe they'll steal from you, and apologize when made, especially when you catch them. People are rarely sorry if you don't know what they are doing behind your back. But when you catch them, then they say they are sorry. Most likely, they just want to avoid fighting and confrontations with you. So they'll say sorry to keep you quiet. But as soon as you forgive them, they are back to their old ways, and all they are going to do is maybe come up with a system that allows them do what they do without being caught. So this one is to prepare us, our minds, to say people rarely change, and you need to know whether these bad habits, if it's in a relationship, you can live with them or you can't. Gauge yourself. So we are going to spot what we call red flags in a relationship. Don't ignore them. Rather, take a step and ask yourself, can I live with this or can I not live with this? Because there are some habits which are just silly, you can live with them, overlook them. But there are some bad habits like cheating on you that are going to damage you. They are going to expose you to a lot of harm, mental torture, diseases, and a lot of other things. So, uwakalema takaleka is telling you that don't think you Twaitemokulan that I'll change him. I'll change her because I love her. It takes God to change another person. It's very hard for you to change another person. So get yourself. If I learn these weaknesses about this person, can I live with them or not? The last one is uko alinsoke takwafuire muntu. Uko alinsoke takwafuire umuntu. Where there was someone to warn others, no one died there. Where there was someone to warn, there was no death. That's the translation. The teaching is when there is someone to warn you about something, you will not find yourself in harm's way. It's like forewarned is forearmed. Sadly, we are living in a generation full of human rights. So you see something, you see someone taking a destructive path, and when you try to tell them, don't go that way, don't take this path, they'll say, it's my right, it's my life. I have every right to make mistakes and learn from them. In the process, they end up finding themselves in harm's way. But this proverb is basically saying when people are warning you, pay attention and avoid the things they say will expose you to harm. Okay. For now, I'll end here. I don't want to go beyond 10 minutes. So, like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'm Black, I'm Bemba, and I'm proud. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and thank you for staying with me. Those of you who have been patient with me because I'm not always available. Bye bye.